this frequency, man. Take a look at this flow. Every day's a reset, man. Every day's a reset. You know what I mean? New day, new flow. You know, it's okay to let go of things that you once learned, man. Old habits, old ways. It's okay, man. New day, new frequency, man. New day, new vibes, new vibrational flow. You know, so while keeping that flow going, don't let anybody bring you down, man, because you're doing your homework. Especially if they ain't doing their homework. What the hell? And don't listen to anybody who ain't doing their homework, man. Straight up. We all know that man. We all know that one kid that was getting clowned on because he didn't do his homework. You know what I'm saying? It's the same thing here, man. It's the same thing in this life, man, in this world. You ain't doing your homework, man. Get up out my face. Get up out my face, because you don't know what's going on. Get out my way. You don't know what's going on. You know, while everybody's so, you know, everybody's still tripping over race, man. Everybody's still tripping over, you know, politics. You get what I'm saying? These extraterrestrial beings, they politicking, man. Feel me? There's more races in the human race. Literally, there's more races in the human race. You might not even be a human. You feel me? That's on a esoterical level. That's on a cosmic level, man. You literally might not even be a human being. And that's okay. Because a lot of beings out here who ain't human beings, man. But they look like, trust me, you wouldn't know the difference. You wouldn't know the difference. You know, that's why it says to know every man by his fruit. Because every man is a man of flesh, man. He could be an extraterrestrial being from a whole nother world who appears as a man. So, there's every man by his fruits. Not every man is a human being. We're not all humans. So when they say, oh, we're all humans, no, we're not. Shit. No, we're not. No, we're not. I only go by what the spirit knows to be true. I don't go by no doctrines of man. You know, I definitely ain't following the persuasions of a man. You know what I'm saying? Which is why it's okay, man. It's okay to be alone. It's okay to be isolated. You know? As a guy, we look for guys anyways. For real, as a guy, we look for goddesses, man. We ain't worried about no brotherhood. What the fuck is a brotherhood? You know what I'm saying? All these people want to be joining brotherhoods, man. The fuck is a brotherhood? You know what I'm saying? Because in the end, don't these brotherhoods just end up humping each other in the butt anyways, man? They end up fucking each other in the damn ass, you know what I'm saying? Everybody wants to be a part of a brotherhood, man. Don't you gotta go through all these rituals and you know what I'm saying? Who is you? Nothing to worry about. But anyways, oh, okay. Little birdie. You know, at the end of the day, man, like, you know what you gotta go through? You gotta go through these rituals. You might even be prepped up to be a sacrifice. You go into these brotherhoods, man. So, you know, that's why I'll be kicking around a lot of brothers, man. I'll be kicking around a lot of dudes in general. A lot of dudes trying to be initiated, you know. Rather than keeping it simple, going to go get some cat, man, they go through all these damn rituals, and you feel me? Just for a fucking sass, so you can get pussy for free. The fuck? I don't need no man. I don't need no motherfucking brotherhood to get no pussy for free, man. No ritual, no sacrifices, just to get some cat for free, man. No money. I don't even need money to get a cat for free, man. These dudes tripping, they on some other stuff. You know, they on that low vibrational flow, the low frequency flow. You know, people that be part of the Divine Nine, the Alpha Sci-Fi, man. What's the point? Get them to the Greek? Shit. Ain't no get them to the heavens, huh? Ain't no give them to Egypt, man. Give them to the Greek, eh? gonna have to show you guys some some ancient structures. They're still here. They're on the college campus. It's all on the college campus. So you catch a bus. Catch a bus. I'll catch them.